In this ukulele lesson, we're going to be singing and strumming a 12-bar blues. I'm going to be teaching you the chords, how to decorate them with really cool notes. I'm going to be showing you about the rhythm and the overall blues structure. Hope you'll watch this video all the way to the end because you're going to come away with a lot of cool takeaways for your playing. So please get your ukulele out, let's get in tune, and let's get jamming. Let's get started with the chords. Now when we play the song in a moment, we're going to have the chords and the lyrics down here. We're going to strum with a backbeat strum. The backbeat strum is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and whipping the strings a little harder on 2 and 4. Now let's practice along with this box notation. Box notation is really important to hang with because it will show you the overall structure of the song. Each box has 4 beats, so what you want to do is train yourself to see the bouncing ball going across the box chart. Let's do this together. This is the structure for many 12-bar blues songs, including the one that we're going to be singing today. So let's begin. Are you ready? A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Third box. Fourth box. Next line. Make sure you got that backbeat. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming up on the last line. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're back at the top. Now that's the basic structure. There's so many different variations. Here is a really cool variation, and then I'm going to show you a turnaround lick. When you play your A major chord, on beats 2 and 4, you can start to add extra notes. You can add a 2-note melody by dropping the ring finger right there at the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. You could also create a 3-note melody by dropping your pinky as well. What I like to call the Boogie Woogie chords. And you can do the same thing on your D7 chord. So leaving your middle finger in place, just drop your D7, and now we're going to use your pinky to add the Boogie Woogie notes. The 2-note version would be this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here's the 3-note version. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you may like to pause the video here, go back and practice that, but don't sweat it because you're going to get a lot of chances to do it in just a moment as we play the tune. Let's take the last 4 boxes and we'll add the turnaround lick. Here's what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Still got a lot more to share with you, and we're going to jam a tune. If you're digging this video, would you please give it a thumbs up, share this video with just 1 or 3 of your ukulele loving friends, and if you haven't already, hope you'll subscribe to this channel. I put out new videos each and every week. Thanks so much. Let's keep on going. Here's how you play the turnaround lick. You strum on beat 1, 1. On beat 2, hop these 2 fingers over here to the 3rd string, 4th fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret. And you're going to pick with index and thumb. Then slide it down. Then slide it down again. And right here you can strum your A major chord. Let's do that again. Strum A, 1, on beat 2, beat 3, beat 4, and then you're back. The picking pattern is thumb, index, thumb, thumb, index, thumb. Let's do this together one last time. Then I'll show you let's do this one more time, and then I'll show you a fancy variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That turns you around to the top of the song. Now you may like to rewind the video, practice that little bit. Right now I'd like to show you a variation that just has a little more sauce on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing there, and I'll do it slowly now, I strum 1, slide up, strum. Now, I take my 2 fingers, middle and ring, and they're just like they're about to go to E7, but instead they move up to 4th fret, and then they slide down. That little decoration can be done in many ways. You could pinch and slide in both directions. You could just go without sliding. Either way you want to do it, all sounds good. Remember, it's music theory, not music fact, Eddie Van Halen. So do it your way. All right, let's jam. Let's take a deep breath together. And a 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Came in last night, 10:30. That baby of mine wouldn't let me in, so move it on over. Move it on over. Move it on over. Move over, little dog, because a big dog's moving in. Stops. She changed the lock on my front door. My door key don't fit no more, so get it on over. Scoot it on over. Move over, little dog, because a fat dog's moving in. Well, this doghouse here's mighty small, better than no house at all, so ease it on over. Drag it on over, drag it on over. Give over, little dog, because a new dog's moving in. One more with stops. She told me not to play around, but I done let the deal go down, so get it on over. Told it on over. Move over, little dog, because of my dog moving in. Keep strumming now. Well, she warned me once, she warned me twice, but I don't take no one's advice, so get it on over. Scratch it on over. Move over, little dog, because a tall dog's moving in. And of course you can keep on jamming this. Maybe someday I'll learn the words. Thanks so much for hanging with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you'll watch another video right here. Wishing you and your family all the best. Keep on jamming, keep having fun. Thanks so much. See you sometime soon.